I just wanted to cover something quick with the rear seat latches, the release latches that allow the seats to fold down. Got the car, the latches were missing up top. This is actually one of the original ones, and so the knob was actually, the lever was broken off. The knob was still there, but it was like completely disintegrated. Looks like somebody stuck a screwdriver in it and tried turning it by hand with that. Basically, they were just non-functional. So what I had to do is pick at this lever right here. So I had to come in through the side with a little tool and kind of push this up to get the latch to release so I could fold this down. Took the screw out. That's one screw in here. There's a screw up top. It goes in this way. And that's it. Latches came out. Here's the old one. Now, nobody seemed to know if the latches from other cars, like an A6, would fit. And I can tell you, they look near identical, so we'll find out. The only difference is this has a lock. Obviously, if you have an Avant, the lock doesn't really serve a purpose. So that's really the only fundamental difference I could see. And you can 3D print replacements of these if you really care that much. I don't, but I can tell you that this seems to fit. So what I'm going to do is try to install it and see if I could actually get the seat to latch and then report back. Alright, and there you have it. This is a latch out of an A6. It's an 05 to 2011 with the locking mechanism, and confirming it does work in an A4. Just threw some lithium grease in here and made sure to put the two screws in where they belong. The only thing that's worth pointing out is you have to hold this up when you're putting it together. Otherwise, that was it. Very straightforward. And then there you go. Latches perfectly. Pulls, comes down just like it should. Done deal.